This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap with Ivan Caesar.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade Market Wrap for May 2nd, 2007. My name is Ivan Caesar, and this is the news. Crude supplies climbed 1.1 million barrels to 335.6 million for the week ending April 27th. Motor gasoline supplies fell for a 12th straight week, down 1.1 million barrels at 193.1 million. Distillate stocks were down 200,000 barrels for the week at 117.1 million barrels. Orders for U.S.-made factory goods rose 3.1% in March, the biggest gain in a year. The 3.1% increase in factory orders was stronger than the 2.2% expected by economists. The surprisingly strong increase suggests that the months-long slump in factory output could be ending. The gains in March, led by a 38% increase in orders for civilian aircraft and an 11% increase in petroleum, were strong across the board. The monthly ADP employment report showed U.S. private sector jobs increased by 64,000 in April, the weakest job growth in nearly 4 years. Service sector firms added about 106,000 jobs, while the goods-producing industries cut 42,000, including 20,000 in manufacturing. Small businesses created 45,000 jobs, medium-sized firms created 29,000, and large businesses shed 10,000 jobs. Because of improving budget deficits, the government said it is discontinuing sales of 3-year Treasury notes. The Treasury Department said the last auction for 3-year notes will occur next week as part of the regular series of quarterly debt auctions used to help finance the $8.8 trillion federal government debt. For stocks in the news, Cablevision Systems is in advanced talks to take the company private in a deal valued at about $10.5 billion. The founding Dolan family has made at least other offers to buy the cable provider and take it private in recent years. The Wall Street Journal said the offer was for more than $36 a share compared to Tuesday's closing price of $32.67 a share. The prior offer was about $30 a share, or $8.9 billion. MasterCard, the world's second biggest credit card franchise, reported favorable currency exchanges and stronger use of its brand overseas pushed first quarter profit to a record. The company said profit for the first 3 months of the year rose to $214.9 million, or $1.57 per share. MasterCard said 2.5% of the increase in revenue was driven by the movement of the euro relative to the dollar. Time Warner, its first quarter profit slipped 18%, but beat Wall Street expectations as growth in its cable segment helped lift revenue by 9%. Net income slipped to $1.2 billion, or 31 cents per share, from $1.46 billion, or 32 cents per share, a year ago. Scheduled economic reports for Thursday include the initial jobless claims for the week of April 28th, productivity data for the first quarter, and ISM services for April. For earning reports, we have General Motors, International Paper, Royal Dutch Shell, MGM Mirage, Cablevision Systems, World Wrestling Entertainment, Nortel Networks, Martha Stewart's Living, Omnimedia, Starbucks, Dean Foods, Office Max, Public Storage, Dun & Bradstreet, ServiceMaster, Unilever, Weight Watchers International. This has been the Premier Trade Market Wrap for May 2nd, 2007.